Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem if you have stable internet connection but none of the apps or browser works on Metz Google TV. And to do this, first let me show you what happens if we try to use YouTube. There's can't connect right now, even though I have my Wi-Fi connected and enabled. There's limited connection. But there's easy fix for that. All we have to do is click on the gear icon on our remote. If it would allow me, please. Okay, if this doesn't work, move to the right so we can access the settings in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the system, select date and time, and here set automatic date and time using network provided settings. If we go back and try to open a YouTube, it should work fine. If not, we need to wait a few moments till everything synchronizes. But yep, it works fine now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.